Okay, so this is the last day. So the goal is to make the vault useful before class, after class, and during revision planning. So they say like, okay, the task is you have a teacher preparation dashboard, and we want, oh, we don't need to read anything anymore. Ooh, so I think we have seen everything that we need, but we need to apply it. So create two teacher preparation dashboard. So we go here and just gonna do it here so that I can see what I need to do. So I need a teacher preparation dashboard. I have the dashboard. And link the notes. Create a lesson planning notes. Link the notes to concept notes, videos, and likely misconception. We want to do a missing list. We want to create a confusion log. We need to review the main canvas map, and we need to review the student dashboard and fix a broken or unclear links and make a backup copy of the vault. I think this is the thing that I can do right now that makes sense is only to make a backup copy of the vault, because everything that we have here needs me to go back and read all of the materials, which is gonna take a very long time, and I'm not gonna record that. So when I'm gonna be done with putting everything together, maybe like next week, I'm gonna show you guys like how did everything end up, and I want to put all of that. I want to be done with all of this by the end of next week, and all of these templates, everything here, and then I am going to be after that I'm gonna try to see how to do all of this week 2 improvements. So once I am done with everything in a week, we are gonna go back here together to do all of this. I have the business calculus 2 vault here, and this is everything that we've created. Assessment and revision. Oh, we have all the media. We have everything here, student facing. So I guess what we can do here is that we are gonna go to drag and drop this into GitHub. I'm gonna take this and put it here. The repository, it's not a repository, we can create this a repository. So business calculus, so this is business calculus vault, Obsidian vault. Create repository, and I'm gonna publish it. And we can view it on GitHub. It's private, so this is everything. We just still want to check that everything is good here. So you know what? Let's try closing Obsidian, and see if that vault still works. Now that we made it into a GitHub folder. It doesn't see the things that we have. It doesn't see the GitHub files, which is, yeah. I'm gonna go and complete the vault with actual content from the course, and I'm gonna present it to you in a week that it's completely done. And yeah,